أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 4, page 12.8, Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 84. We saw the first juz has 4 quarters. The first quarter we studied in QC3, the first 5 pages with 37 ayah of Surah Al-Baqarah. The second quarter we studied in QC3 with next 5 pages, 39 ayah of the Surah Al-Baqarah. The third quarter we are studying in this QC4 with next 5 pages, 11 to 15. That covers 29 ayah of Surah Al-Baqarah. And the fourth quarter we will inshallah study in QC5, which will comprise the next 5 pages and 36 ayahs Surah Al-Baqarah. And the first juz have 141 ayah. Inshallah, we will complete them in QC5. So the 5 pages of the third quarter are from page 11 to page 15. We will keep on the right hand, starting the 11th page on the thumb and the 15th page on the little finger of the right hand. Let's to place the 11th page pointers, that is ignorant masses and scholars, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. Once more, ignorant masses and scholar, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. Let's to revise the brief pointers. Ignorant masses, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel, ignorant fire, rule, and covenant. Let's to go for the 12th page. The first pointer is covenant of blood. Second, killing and eviction. Third is belief in parts. And the fourth pointer is treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. Let's to keep them on the fingers. Covenant of blood, killing and eviction, belief in parts, treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. Covenant of blood, killing of eviction, beliefs in parts, treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. The brief pointers are covenant of blood, killing, parts, Musa and Isa. Covenant of blood, killing, parts, Musa and Isa. So today we will study the first pointer of page 12, that is covenant of blood. The relation with the previous verses is Allah continues describing the distorted faith and bad actions of Bani Israel. So this is a ayah of the 2 days. If somebody can please recite with translation. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ لَا تَسْفِكُونَ دِمَاءَكُمْ وَلَا تُخْرِجُونَ أَنفُسَكُمْ مِنْ دِيَارِكُمْ ثُمَّ أَقْرَرْتُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ تَشْهَدُونَ. And when we took your covenant that do not shed each other's blood or evict yourselves one and each other from your home, then you ratified while you were witnessing. Let's to identify the words in this ayah. Wa is a harf, is an ism. Akhazna, this na is telling it's a madi verb. Misaka is a noun ism, is a noun ism, la is a harf. Tasfikuna is a mudari amr. Dima is an ism. Kum is a zamir ism. Wa is a harf. La is a harf. Tukhrijuna is mudare because ta is here. Tukhrijuna. Anfusakum. Anfus is a ism and it's a plural because nafs is the singular, anfus and nafus is the plural. Kum is a zamir ism, min is a harf, diyar is again is a ism, kum is a ism, summa is a harf, akrartum. This tum is telling is the madi verb, akrartum. If I remove tum, it is akrar, four letter starting with hamza. So the pattern is aslama and the bab name is or the chapter name is ifal. Wa is a harf, antum is a zamir ism, tashhuduna. It's again mudare verb because ta has come in front. So tashhaduna is a front plural zamir. So let's have the lesson from this ayah. Allah took the covenant from Bani Israel that they would not kill people nor expel them from their homes. Allah has given special importance to human rights. Allah wants to see the believers as one body. Hurting each other is like hurting yourself. So look, the new words in each line, cipher 2. It means not more than 2 in each line. Let's go for word and the phrase for phrase translation and explanation. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa and is when akhazna we took misakakum your covenant, la not tasfikuna you will not shed dima blood, kum your, wala and not tukhrijuna will evict or expel, anfusakum yourself, min from diyarikum from your homes, summa then akrartum you ratified, mean you accepted, you agreed, wa antum while you tashhadun were witnessing. So new word is diyar and akram. We will have the phrase for them. Min diyarikum, min diyarikum. Next, summa akrartum, summa akrartum. Let's go for the explanation. Allah took a covenant from Bani Israel that they would not kill people nor expel them from their homes. Look at the importance Allah gave to human rights of every person, especially the right to live and to have property. He says, we took the covenant, you ratified it, you were witness to it. It was not taken in your absence. Your blood mean the blood of some of you hurting each other is like hurting yourself. Don't evict yourselves means some of you should not evict others. When a person is evicted from home, he feels humiliated in his place. He will be a stranger wherever he goes. He may go through extreme suffering because of his eviction. It is a reminder for us Muslims too. Let's take a hadith. Numan bin Bashir reported Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam as saying, the similitude of believers in regard of mutual love, affection, fellow feeling is that of one body. When any limb of it aches, the whole body aches because of sleeplessness and the fever. So Alim, now it's your turn. If somebody kindly revise this. Yes, Sister Zainab.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ and when أخذنا we took ميثاقكم your covenant لا تسفكون you will not shed دماءكم your blood ولا تخرجون and will not evict أنفسكم yourselves من دياركم from your homes then akrautum you ratified wa antum while you tashhadun, we're witnessing.
Jazakallah khaira. Let's go for the lessons. The lesson learned from this ayah, Allah took the covenant from Bani Israel that they would not kill people nor expel them from their homes. Allah has given a special importance to human rights. Allah wants to see the believers as one body. Hurting each other is like hurting yourself. Let's pray. Oh Allah, protect us from breaking the covenants that we have with you, mean obeying you in all aspects of our life. Evaluate yourself and make a plan. Inshallah, I will have the utmost regards for human lives and their property. Let's to have the asma. Misak is a singular, plural is muwasik. Dam is singular, dima is the plural. Anfus, the nafs is a singular, anfus and nafus is the plural. Dar is a singular, diyar is a plural. Let's to have the three-letter sound verb. Safaka, yafsiku, isfik. Safik, masfuk, saf. Safa, kaf is the root letter and bab is daraba. Shahida, yashhadu, ishhad. Shahid, mashud, bihi, and shahada. Shin, ha, dal is the root letter, bab is samya. So this is the Safaka table. If somebody kindly want to revise, please revise it.
Safaka, he shed. Safaku, they shed. Safakta, you shed. Safaktu, I shed. Safaktum, you all shed. Safakna, we shed. Safakat, she shed. Yasfiku, he sheds. Yasfikuna, they shed. Tasfiku, you shed. Asfiku, I shed. Tasfikuna, you all shed. Nasfiku, we shed. Tasfiku, she sheds. Isfik, shed. Isfiku, shed you all. La tasfik, don't shed. La tasfiku, you all don't shed. Safikun, shedder. Masfukun, the one to be shed. Safkun, who shed. Safaka, yasfiku, isfik, safik, masfuk, safk. Sin fakaf, Daraba style.
Jazakallah. The next is Shahida. Shahida, he witnessed. Shahidu, they witnessed. Shahidta, you witnessed. Shahidtu, I witnessed. Shahidtum, you all witnessed. Shahidna, we witnessed. Shahidat, she witnessed. Yashhadu, he witnesses. Yashhaduna, they witness. Tashhadu, you witness. Ashhadu, I witness. Tashhaduna, you all witness. Nashhadu, we witness. Tashhadu, we witnesses. Ishhad, witness. Ishhadu, witness you are. La tashhad, don't witness. La tashhadu, don't witness you are. Shahidun, witness. Mashhudun, the one to be witnessed. Shahadatun or shahudun, to witness. Shahida, yashhadu, ishhad, shahid, mashhud, shahada, or shahud. The shin hadal is the root letter, bab is samia. Let's to go for the weak verb, the hammer, the hamza verb, and the repeated verb. Akhaza, yakhuzu, khuz, akhiz, makhuz, akhaz. Hamza, khaza are the root letter and bab is nasara. So this is a table of akhaza. Yes.
Akhadha, he took. Akhadhu, they took. Akhadta, you took. Akhadtu, I took. Akhadtum, you all took. Akhadna, we took. Akhadhat, she took. Yakhudhu, he takes. Yakhudhuna, they take. Takhudhu, you take. Akhudhu, I take. Takhudhuna, you all take. Nakhudhu, we take. Takhudhu, she takes. Khudh, take. Khudhu, take you all. La takhudh, don't take. La ta'khudhu, you all don't take. Akhidun, taker. Makhudun, the one to be taken. Akh, to take. Akhada, yakhudhu, khudh. Akhid, makhudh, akh. Hamza, khadil. Nasara style.
Let's go for the mazid fi. Akhraja, yukhriju, akhrij, mukhrij, mukhraj, ikhraj. Harajim is the root letter and it's four-letter word with Hamza. So it's on the pattern of Aslama and the Bab is If'al. Akarra, yukirru, akirrir, mukirrir, mukarrar, ikrar. Kaf Ra Ra is the root letter. 4 letters starting with Hamza. So again, the pattern is Aslama and Bab is If'al. So this is the table of Akhraja. If somebody want to revise, please go. Yes, Sister Zainab.
Akhraja, he evicted. Akhraju, they evicted. Akhrajta, you evicted. Akhrajtu, I evicted. Akhrajtum, you all evicted. Akhrajna, we evicted. Akhrajat, she evicted. Yukhriju, he evicts. Yukhrijuna, they evict. Tukhriju, you evict. Ukhriju, I evict. Tukhrijuna, you all evict. Nukhriju, we evict. Tukhriju, she evicts. Akhrij, evict. Akhriju, evict you all. La tukhrij, don't evict. La tukhriju, you all don't evict. Mukhrijun, the one who evicts. Mukhrajun, the one to be evicted. Ikhraj, to evict. Akhraja, yukhriju, akhrij. Mukhrij, mukhraj, ikhraj. Kha, ra, jim. If'al, aslama.
Okay. The next is Akarra, he ratified. Akarru, they ratified. Akararta, you ratified. Akarartu, I ratified. Akarartum, you all ratified. Akararna, we ratified. Akarrat, she ratified. Yukirru, he ratified. Yukirruna, they ratified. Tukirru, you ratified. Ukirru, I ratified. Tukirruna, you all ratified. Nukirru, we ratified. Tukirru, she ratifies. Akirra, ratified. Akirru, ratified you all. La tukirra, don't ratify. La tukirru, don't ratify you. Mukirrun, ratifier. Mukarrun, the one to be ratified. Ikrarun, to ratify. The Amar come on another pattern. Akrir, ratified. Akirru, ratified you all. La tukirrir, don't ratify. La tukirrur, don't ratify you all. So the 6 is akarra, yukirru, akirra, mukirrun, mukarrun, ikrarun. Kaf ra ra is the root letter and it's a 4 letter with Hamza starting. So pattern is aslama and the chapter or bab is if'al. Let's proceed for the grammar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 4 with page 12, pointers A. In grammar, today we will have the dual forms for Mudare, Amrun Nahi, Isme Fa'il and Isme Maf'ul. Let's go for we saw for the dual, the 3 letters were Fa'alat, Taf'alu, If'ali, La Taf'ali, Fa'ilatun, Maf'ulatun. For the Mazid fi 4 letters, we have the pattern Aslamat, Tuslimu, Aslami, La Tuslami, Muslimatun, Muslimatun. Today we will go for the dual. Dual is Fa'ala, Yaf'alane, If'ala, La Taf'ala, Fa'ilane, Maf'ulane. Then we will have the passive for the Slasi Mujarrad, Sumia, Yusmau. For the Mazid, we have the example, Unzila, Yunzalu. And then we will go lastly, Karuma table. Karuma, Yakrumu, Ukrum, La Takrum, Karimun, Dash, Karamatu. So these all will be about the afal in sarf. The second part of afal has the asma, just like isme makan, isme sifa, isme tafdil, and isme mubalgha, and jama mukassir or taksir. We will study later on. So we have done so far the salasi mazid of the muannis, mean the feminine. Today we are going for the dual. Let's start. Huma, they both. Antuma, you both. Look, we say huwa hum. You remember huwa hum. For the dual, what we say after huma, we add a alif. It become huma. From whom? Huma. Here we had anta, antum. From antum, add alif, it become antuma for the dual. Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Let's to attach ism with this. We say rabbohu, rabbohum. Now we will say attach alif, rabbohuma. They are both rab. And here we say rabboka, rabbokum. We will add alif. It become rabboka, rabbokuma, rabbokum. Now rabbokuma, your both mean the your two rab. In the Madi, we say fa'ala yafalu. After the fa'ala, if you add alif, it becomes fa'ala, fa'ala. It means you, they both did. Here we say yaf'alu, yaf'aluna. Yaf'alu. We will add the alif nun. It becomes yaf'alane, taf'alane. Let's go for the mudare. Yaf'alu, he does. Yaf'aluna, they do. For the mudare, we will add alif in the place of waw. It becomes yaf'alane. They both do. Taf'alu, afalu. Here we say taf'aluna, nafalu. For the taf'aluna, we will again add alif in place of waw. It becomes taf'alane. You both did. For the nafalu, it have the same meaning. Nafalu, we two did. Nafalu, we all did. Nafalu, we two female did. Nafalu, we all female. Nafalu is common for the dual and the plural for male as well as the female. In masculine and feminine, no difference in the nafalu. So our table is complete. Yafalu, he did. Yafalane, they both did. Yafaluna, they all did. Tafalu, you did. Afalu, Tafalu, you do. Afalu, I do. Tafalane, you both do. Tafaluna, we all do. Nafalu, we do. And let's have Wisahuma, they both. Antuma, you both. Rabbohuma, they're both Rab. Rabbokuma, you're both Rab. Fa'ala, they two did. Faltuma, you two did. Yafalane, they both do. Tafalane, you both do. Now we have reached to the Madi and Mudare of a table. So let's repeat once more. Huma, they two. Antuma, you both two. Rabbohuma, their two Rab. Rabbokuma, your two Rab. Fa'ala, they two did. Fa'altuma, you two did. Yafalane, they two do. Tafalane, you two do. Now it's your turn. Please, somebody kindly revise them. Yes, Sister Zainab, please go ahead.
Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rab. Rabbukuma, your two Rab. Fa'ala, they two did. Fa'altuma, you two did. Yaf'alani, they two do. Taf'alani, you two do.
Good. Excellent. Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rab. Rabbukuma, their two Rab. Fa'ala, they two did. Fa'altuma, you two did. Yafalane, they two do. Tafalane, you two do. Let's go a step hard further. If I ask hal yafalane, what will be the answer? Remove the hal, put the nam. So what will the answer? Nam,
Nam,
yafalane. If I say hal tafalane, mean you both, what will be the answer?
Nam, naf'alani.
No. There is no nafalane. It is nafalu. For the two is nafalu, for the plural is nafalu, for the masculine is the nafalu, for the feminine is also. So we will say nam nafalu. If I say hal yafalani khaira, what you will say?
Nam
Yes,
yaf'alani
remove the hal,
khayran.
put the nam, it's the answer. Nam yafalani khaira. But if I'll ask hal tafalani khaira, where it will turn?
Nam naf'alu khayran.
Nafalu khaira. There is no nafalane or nafaluna. It is always nafalu for the two and plural for the masculine as well as for the feminine. Let's have Amar. We say if'al do. If'alu do your. Now, if we want to make the plural from if'al, we will add alif. It become if'al, if'ala, if'alu. If'al, you do. If'ala, do you all. Do you too. If'alu, do you all. What about the nahi? We say la taf'al, la taf'al. Now, for the dual, we will add alif in the taf'al. We will say la taf'al, la taf'ala, la taf'alu. La taf'al, don't do. La tafala, don't do you too. La tafalu, don't do you all. So we got the amar. Let's to put the amar. If Allah, if I say if Allah, you to do, what will be the answer? It's always in mudare. Naf'alu.
Naf'alu.
It will be naf'alu. If I say la taf'ala, what will be the answer? La naf'alu. Again in the mudare. If Allah khaira, what will be your answer? Naf'alu khaira. If I say la taf'ala sharra, what you will say? La naf'alu sharra. Okay, excellent. Let's have 5. We said huma, they two. Antuma, you both are two. Rabboma, they are two Rabb. Rabbokuma, your two Rabb. Fa'ala, they two did. Fa'altuma, you two did. Yafalane, they two do. Tafalane, you two do. If'ala, do you two. La tafala, don't do you two. Now, fa'ilane, two doers. Mafulane, two who are affected by the act. So we have completed the table. Huma, they two. Antuma, you both two. Rabboma, they two Rab. Rabbokuma, your two Rab. Fala, they two did. Faltuma, you two did. Yafalane, they two do. Tafalane, you two do. Ifala, do you two. La tafala, don't do you two. The next is failane, two doer. Mafulane, two affected. Yes, now it's your turn. Please revise once before we proceed ahead. Yes, Sister Zainab.
Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rabb. Rabbukuma, your two Rabb. Fa'ala, they two did. Fa'altuma, you two did. Yaf'alani, they two do. Taf'alani, you two do. If Allah, do two. La taf'ala, don't do two. Fa'ilani, doers two. Maf'ulani, those two who are affected.
Good. So dual form is huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Attach a ism. Rabbuhuma, their two Rabb. Rabbukuma, your two Rabb. Attach the madi. Fa'ala, they two did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Part the mudare. Yafalane, they do. Tafalane, you two do. The next is if'ala, do you too. La tafala, don't do too. And what about the dual? Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rabb. Rabbukuma, your two Rabb. Nasara, they two help. Nasartuma, you two help. Yansarane, they two help. Tansarane, you two help. Unsara, you two help. La tansara, don't you two help. Nasirane, two helper. Mansurane, to being helped. Yes, now it's your turn. Please revise the table.
Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rab. Rabbukuma, your two Rab. Nasara, they two help. Nasartuma, you two helped. Yansurani, they two help. Tansurani, you two help. Unsura, help. La Tansura, don't help too. Nasirani, help us too. Mansurani, those two who are helped.
Good. Let's to have the mazid fi verb, just like allama. Let's to have practice with allama. Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rabb. Rabbukuma, your two Rabb. Allama, they two taught. Allamtuma, you two taught. Yu'allimane, they two teach. Tu'allimane, you two teach. Allima, you to do teach. La tu'allima, don't you to teach. Mu'allimane, to teacher. Mu'allimane, that to be taught to. Yes, now it's your turn. Please revise it once. Yes, Sister Zainab.
Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rab. Rabbukuma, your two Rab. Allama, they two taught. Allamtuma, you two taught. Yeah, you allimani, they two teach. To allimani, you two teach. Allima, teach too. La to allima, don't teach too. Muallimani, teachers too. Muallamani, those two who are taught.
Good. Muallimane, two teachers. Muallamane, two being taught. Let's to have from the aslama this practice. Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rabb. Rabbukuma, your two Rabb. Aslama, they two submitted. Aslamtuma, you two submitted. Yuslimane, they two submit. Tuslimane, you two submit. Aslima, you to submit. La tuslima, don't you to submit. Muslimane, to submitter. Muslimane, that to be submitted. Now your turn. Please repeat this. Yes, Sister Zainab.
Huma, they two. Antuma, you two. Rabbuhuma, their two Rab. Rabbukuma, your two Rab. Aslama, they two submitted. Aslamtuma, you two submitted. Yuslimani, they two submit. Tuslimani, you two submit. Aslima, submit two. La tuslima, don't submit two. Muslimani, submitters two. Muslimani, those two who are submitted.
Good. Let's to have, we did for the feminine a table from fa'ala. Fa'alat, she did. Or here we say aslamat, she submit. Aslamna, they submit. Aslamti, you submit. Aslamtu, I submit. Aslamtunna, you all submit. Aslamna, we submit. What about mudare? Tuslimu, she will submit or she submits. Yuslimna, they all submit or will submit. Tuslimina, you submit. Uslimu, I submit. Tuslimna, you all submit. Nuslimu, we submit. Tuslimu, she submits or will submit. Aslami, submit. Aslimna, submit you are. La tuslimi, don't submit. La tuslimna, don't submit you. Muslimatun, submitter. Muslamatan, submit. Yes, now it's your turn. Please revise this table.
Aslamat, she submitted. Aslamna, they submitted. Aslamti, you submitted. Aslamtu, I submitted. Aslamtunna, you all submitted. Aslamna, we submitted. Tuslimu, she will submit. Yuslimna, they will submit. Tuslimina, you will submit. Uslimu, I will submit. Tuslimna, you all will submit. Nuslimu, we will submit. Aslimi, submit. Aslimna, submit you all. La tuslimi, don't submit. La tuslimna, you all don't submit. Muslima, Muslimatun, the submitter. Muslimata. Muslimata, the one.
When you say Muslimatun, it's a file. When you say Muslamatun, then it is a maf'ul. On the lam, if it is a kasra, it is file. If it's a fatah, it is maf'ul. So then we set the madi table from fa'ala. Fa'alat, she did. Fa'alna, they did. Fa'alti, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altunna, you all did. Fa'alna, we did. What about mudare? Taf'alu, she does. Yaf'alna, they do. Taf'alina, you do. Af'alu, I do. Taf'alna, you all do. Naf'alu, we do. If'ali, do. If'alna, do you all. La taf'ali, don't do. La taf'alna, don't do you all. Fa'ilatun, doer. Mafulatun, the one to be done. So now it's your turn. Please revise this Madi table from Fa'ala for the feminine.
Fa'alat, she did. Fa'alna, they did. Fa'alti, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altunna, you all did. Fa'alna, we did. Taf'alu, she does. Yaf'alna, they do. Taf'alina, you do. Af'alu, I do. Taf'alna, you all do. Naf'alu, we do. If'ali, do. If'alna, do you all. La taf'ali, don't do. La taf'alna, don't do you all. Fa'ilatun, doer. Maf'ulatun, the one who is affected.
Good. So let's have a workbook. وَلَا تُخْرِجُونَ أَنفُسَكُم مِّن دِيَارِكُم. What will be the English translation for this ayah? Wa and la, no. Tukhrijuna, you evict or expel. Anfusakum, yourself. Min diyarikum, from your homes. And you will not evict from your homes. That next is summa akrartum. What is the translation? Summa, then akrartum, you ratified, you agreed, you accepted. So what is the plural for misak? Mawasik. What's the plural for dam? Dima. What is the plural for nafs? Anfus. From dar, diyar. Let's go for the sixth key. Safaka, yafsuku, isfik, safik, masfuk, safak. From shahida. Shahida, yashhadu, ishhad, shahid, mashhud, shahada. From akhaza. Akhaza, yakhuzu, khuz, akhiz, makhuz, akhaz. From akhraja. Akhraja, yukhriju, akhrij, mukhrij, mukhraj, ikhraj. From akarra. Akarra, yukirru, akirrir, mukirrir, mukarrar, ikrar. Translate into Arabic. Do they too do good deeds? Nam, sorry, yes, what will, yes, we do, they too do. Hal yafalane khaira. Hal yafalani khaira. Hal antuma nasirane. Nam, nahnu nasirane. Fail mudare, we say yafalane, tafalane. Amro nahi, we say if'ala, la taf'ala. What about the file? We say fa'ilane, to doers, mafulane, that to be affected. So now we have got a complete table. Look for the third person. We say huwa, he. Huma, they both. Hum, they all, mean the male, mean the masculine. For the second person, we say anta, you. Antuma, you both. Antum, you all. For the first person, we say ana, I. Nahnu, we. Now, this is the masculine. Huwa, huma, hum. Anta, antuma, antum. Ana, nanu. What about the feminine? The third person, we say hiya, she. Huma, they both. Hunna, they all. Anti, you. Antuma, you both. Antum, you all. Antunna, you all. Ana, I. Nahnu, we. Now for the feminine say hiya, huma, hum. Anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Now we have completed the table. Let's revise once more. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. This is for the third person. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. This is for the second person. Ana, nahnu. Ana, nahnu. This is for the first person. So this is a complete table of the 14 sigha, which were missing the dual. So now the dual has come. Now the table is. Let's have practice with fa'ala. Fa'ala, he did. For both we say fa'ala. They both did. Fa'alu, they all did. For the second person we say fa'alta, you did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. For the feminine, we say fa'alat, she did. Fa'alta, they both did. Fa'alna, they all did. Fa'alti, you did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Fa'altunna, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Now this is the Madi table complete. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'ala, they both did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alat, she did. Fa'alta, they both did. Fa'alna, they all did. Now is the third person. For the second person. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'alti, you one did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Fa'altuna, you all did. This is for the second person. Fa'alu, fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. For the first person, there is ana and nahnu both for the masculine as well as the feminine. So the table is complete. Listen one. Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu. Fa'alat, fa'alta, fa'alna. Fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum. Fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna. Fa'altu, fa'alna. Fa'altu, fa'al. So let's have the questions. The dual tasniya from fail mudare will be A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Yafalane, tu'allimane, aslama, nasirane. For the dual of mudare we are looking. This is yafalane and tu'allimane because mudare start with ya, ta, nun and hamza. The next is the dual tasniya form from ismi maf'ul is unsura, munsurane, muallimane, muallimane, A, B, C, D. Maf'ul, we will maf'ulane. So here we will have mansurane. Mansurane and muallimane both are the ismi maf'ul. Translate. Allima. Allima. You both help, you both know, you both don't teach, you both teach. Allima. Allima mean you both teach. Translate. Muslimane. Two obedient, two students, the two whom obeyed, two helpers, which is a translation for Muslimane. Two obedient. Translate into Arabic, those two got affected. Muallimane, fa'ilane, maf'ulane, mansurane, A, B, C, D. It's maf'ul, so we have maf'ulane. Hal tu'alliman al-Qur'ana? Answer in Arabic. نعم يعلمان القرآن نعم نعلم القرآن نعم تعلمان القرآن نعم نعلمون القرآن نعم نعلم القرآن is the correct. هل أنتما منصوران? In Arabic answer نعم هما ناصران نعم أنتم منصوران نعم نحن ناصران نعم نحن منصوران. A, B, C, D. هل أنتما منصوران? The answer is نعم نحن منصوران. Aslima lillahi. Answer in Arabic. Nuslimu lillahi, yuslimani lillahi, tuslimani lillahi, uslimu lillahi. A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? For the aslama lillahi,
A.
nuslimu lillahi. Translate. Wa akul lakuma, wa akul lakuma. Did you not said to us both? Did I not said to him? And did I not said to them both? Did he not said to you? Wa akulla lakuma mean, and did I not said to you both? No, from Sami and Kazaba, you will make the same dual from at home. It's a homework. And you can have take the practice dual from the Suratul Rahman. Suratul Rahman has many duals just like Kazabane, etc. So let's to pray. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Allahumma ighfir lana qabla al-maut warhamna inda al-maut wa la tu'azzibna ba'da al-maut wa la tuhasibna yawm al-qiyamah. Innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. With this, we have completed the lesson. If you have any question, please ask. Your questions are welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
I
Yes,
can't
Sister Zainab.
really ask my questions yet because I've not done my homework, but I noticed you're throwing so many new concepts to us, introducing us to so many new things so quickly. And maybe it's a bit too, I don't know, too fast, but I can't really say it since I've not done my homework or something.
Sister, look, you have only 2 classes in a week. You get 2 lessons of 1 hour, and then you have 5 days complete to understand them, to revise them, and to look into. During your revision, your understanding, if you raise some question or you come across questions, please note them. When in each class at the end, I ask if you have any question, just read those questions which were confusing you or which points were not clear to you. That is the method. We are going not fast. It is not daily or the routinely. We are doing only 2 lessons in a week of 1 hour. Again, the half class is about the surah and its translation and its explanations. And the half is about the grammar. It means hardly 1 hour in a week we are studying the Quran part and 1 hour in the grammar. 2 hours mean the half class on one day, half class on the other, half hour class of our each part on each day. So it means in a week we are having only 1 hour's Quran part total and 1 hour for the grammar. It's not too much. Of course, there are new concepts, but we are repeating it. In each class beginning, we will repeat them. As I show you, see this slide in the beginning on every lesson. On the every lesson, you see this slide.
Yes, yes, we see it.
This is the summary of the course. Total this course we are studying in 20 hours. The dual we have done. فعلت تفعلوا ifali la tafali fa'ilatun mafulatun. This is for the Slasi Mujarrad mean the 3 letters. For the Mazid we have Aslamat, Tuslimu, Aslami, La Tuslami, Muslimatun, Muslimat. So in each class we are revising the 6 keys of these 2 tables. And time to time we are revising the table complete itself. Then come the dual. We have started 2 day duals. Now when we will revise on each day beginning, we will say fa'ala Yafalane, ifala, la tafala, failane, mafulan. You will revise it for the next 16 classes. We are doing today the fifth class, so 15 classes you will have this every day this lesson. And then we will study the passive voice and karuma. When you will study, we will have the understanding of them. So don't worry, we are revising it, the new concept, we are not leaving them. But of course you have to study, because this is a new things which were we not discussing or studying in QC 1, 2, 3. From QC4 and 5, you will have those things which we have not studied in QC 1, 2, 3, because we were waiting for the to complete the sound verbs in QC1, QC2, and then weak verbs also in QC2. Then we have waiting for the completion of the mazid fi in QC3. Now we have completed. Now we have got the time to complete our all remaining parts in grammar. They are the feminine tables, the duals, the passives, and then the karuma, and then the nouns, just like isme makan, isme sifa, isme tafdil, isme mubalgha, taksir. When they will come, then you will understand them. So sister, don't worry, we will not leave you behind, and we will continue revising them.